Hello friends, I am here with another video and took a question from 2D, and this question asked in NEET 224, and this question 224 is hard question for NEET aspirant, but this question for easy JEE mains aspirant. This is a reason why I took this question, because this question is relevant for both JEE mains and NEET, because here is a only concept of centripetal force, but this question asked in 2D. Centripetal force means circular motion. From that chapter we took one concept from that and solved this question. The question says a bob is walled in horizontal circle. We took a bob like this and hanged like that by string at initial speed of 10 rpm. The initial speed that is given is 10 rpm, revolution per minute. If tension in the string is quadruple, when the tension T1 is equals to 4T2. Question says T2, the tension, firstly that the tension is here T1. When the tension increase, T1 is increased, T2 is increased to T1, 4 times T1. The question, this concept is also given in question, while keeping the radius constant. The radius is always r, constant. Mass is also m. Mass and radius is always constant. What is the new speed? Here we know the centripetal force. When we give the some velocity here v, then it revolves and only one force here exerts, that is centripetal force. Centripetal force, we know the centripetal force is F is equals to mv upon r, and also is equals to mv square upon r, m omega square r. You know omega is equals to v upon r. V is equals to omega r. From here we put the value of v here and also get this result. If we put the value of v is equals to omega r, then we will also get this answer. Now tension 1, because this body is in circular motion, that's why we put the value of centripetal force. Here we put the centripetal value because the question says horizontal circle. It rotates like circle. That's why I put here the centripetal value of centripetal force, the formula of centripetal force. Tension 1, which is equals to mv square upon r, mv1 square upon r. The value of r is constant and the value of m is constant. T2 is equals to mv2, because the tension is changed, the value of velocity is also changed. Keeping the value of mass and the radius is constant. Here also the value of mass and r is constant, because this is also given in question. Keeping the value of radius is constant. So that's why the velocity is changed when the tension is changed. The one more concept is also given in question. T2 is equals to 4 times of T1. Now T2 is equals to this one here, which is equal to 4 times of T1 here, 4 into upon r. Same term, we should cancel out the same term both sides. When we square both sides, when we taking the root both side, then the initial value of V1 is equal to 10 RPM. RPM means revolution per minute. V2 is equal to 2 times of V1. V2 here, V2 is equal to the value of V1 that I also write here. I'm writing this value is here, and the V1 is equal to 10 RPM. V2 is equal to 2 into 10 RPM. V2 is equal to 20 RPM. This is a question that asked in NEET paper, and this only one concept that we remembered, that centripetal force. When we know the centripetal force, the tension in this string is mv square upon r. This is a force, tension. And second one concept is when the tension is quadrant. It means when the tension 2 is 4 times of tension T1. Then we equate both the equation 1 and equation 2. When we equate the both of equation, then the value of 4T1, the same term is cancelled out both side, and taking the root of both side, then the value of V2 is equals to 20 RPM. This is a not hard question, but for NEET it is a hard question. In JEE Mains, this is a relevant for JEE Mains. Every year 2 or 3 questions are in their paper of JEE Mains. So thank you so much. Like and share. Do like, share and subscribe if the video is good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.